pretty simple one. Today I'm going to show you how to copy, paste, cut, and undo on Chromebook. To start off, in order to copy, you hit Control-C. So, you are going to select the text that you want to copy, and then you're going to hit Control-C. Then you want to go to paste. In order to paste, you're going to hit where you want to paste, and you're going to hit Control-V. And then it pastes what you wanted to paste. In order to cut, you're going to hit Control-X. So, you select what you want to cut, and then you hit Control-X. Lastly, if you want to undo an action, you hit Control-Z. So, you hit Control-Z. And that's it. Good luck.
Okay, so basically what you're going to do is press on the file that you want to be in your start, and you're going to click the file with 2 fingers at the same time, just like that, and then you're going to go all the way down to add starred, and then click it, and then you're going to go to starred, and then it will be there.
Alright, what's up, bro? I'm gonna teach you how to zoom in and zoom out. So all you gotta do is press this 3 dots on the corner. See it? Alright. Then once you press it, you're gonna see this. Then once you see this, this means small. You can make it smaller. And this plus means bigger. Press it, and that's how you do it. You probably know it already, but if you don't, this is just the way to show you if you don't already.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a folder for your school things or anything that you choose to. So first you want to go to this little bar up here, and then you want to double click. Once you double click, you're going to see that it's going to say add folder. You're going to want to click add folder, and then you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it school things. And you can press save. Once you click on it, you're going to notice that it's empty. And in order to add stuff into it, you're going to have to make a bookmark. And in order to make a bookmark, you just want to go over here and search up whatever you need to, and then go to the star, and then once you go to star, you can name it whatever you want, and then press done. So you just want to click, hold, and drag it into here, click, hold, and drag it into here, click, hold, and drag it into here. You can either open all 3 up or open all 3 in a new tab. So this is how you make a folder.
The blue light glasses I'm wearing right now. So blue light glasses you can get off of Amazon, and what I find it helps with is when you get headaches from looking at a screen too long. I find it reduces that, and it also helps your eyesight, so every now and then it doesn't hurt or anything. It just really helps you, and they're actually not that bad, and you barely even notice they're on after a while. So yeah, those are the blue light glasses. Go get them if you have the chance.